What's up, guys? Ruben the Box, 2014 Black Gold Football. This is for Scott Z. Good luck, Scott. Let's see what you got. You guys need to go to the National. If you want to meet me and hang out and stuff like that, that's a good chance for us to do it. Is at the Summit, I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be busy as crap at the National too, but it's a little less formal of a setting. The Summits, I've always got meetings with everybody and doing this and I'm doing that. At the National, we break and we go crazy during the day, but at nighttime we can kind of hang loose, you know what I mean? So, if you guys go to Chicago and go to the National, that's definitely a good spot to meet me in person and come watch me break. You can just hang out with me while I break all day, pretty much. There's going to be people breaking all over the place this year. All right. Alfred Morris, team symbols, the 149 for Scott. I don't know yet, Paul. Actually, we're about to start making plans for hotels and stuff like that within the next probably month. Do not know what hotel we're staying in yet. Look at this. Wow. Big boom for Scott Z. Prime patch auto to 49, Odell Beckham Jr. Boom. Big hit for Scott Z. That is sick. Motel 6. Ha! Alex Murray, Aaron Smith, double jersey. Good old Aaron Smith. Base card, Marquise Lee, 199. Seal of approval, Dree Archer to 149. They all sold. This one sold out, Derek. That's why. They bought them all, man. You got to get them early sometimes, bud. They go quick. Another jumbo patch auto to 49, DeAnthony Thomas. Great box for Scott. And somebody bought the rest of 2012 too, I think. Double jersey, T. West, Jeremy Hill to 99. Aaron Rodgers to 99. And a silver seal to finish it off to 25, Marquise Lee. Great box for Scott. Congrats, man. That ODB is sick. We'll get this right out to you, buddy.